Hi guys, I'm Fox and welcome back to my channel. This week I am going to be reviewing a face mask product which is quite dangerous territory for me, seeing as I'm allergic to almost every face mask I've ever tried in my life. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and check out all my other videos too. There's some great videos there of different types and really random ones too, so go check them out.
Nothing to show, so far from home.
So today's video is all about this T-zone face mask. It claims to get rid of all the crud in your skin that builds up in your pores. It just tears it all out. I say tears because I've watched a few other people using these masks and they seem to be quite aggressive when you try and peel them off, so that would be fun to watch too for you guys. It is a T-zone glitter peel off face mask in black, and I think it's supposed to have charcoal in it or something. The glitter is also biodegradable, which is amazing. We need some more of that sort of stuff in our lives. So it claims to draw out impurities to help keep skin clear. It has straw flower and centella azitica. Oh. I will put a picture of that because I'm reading it like crap. And it helps the skin look vibrant and glowing. So I'm really hoping to glow after this. We have to steam your face first for the best results with any of these sort of things. It works really well. And my face is steamed. I've still got my eye makeup on because it's such a nightmare to take it off, and it takes ages because it's all waterproof, so I just left that on for convenience sake and it's not going there, so I'm not worried about that. But we're gonna put this on now. As you can see, I'm quite red on my nose area, and I've got some blemishes down here. They might not be that obvious on camera, but they're more obvious in person. It's really glittery and really pretty. I don't know if you can see that. But I'm just going to start brushing it onto my face.
So far from home, don't be your brains, no room for me. Nothing to show, so far from home. Don't be your brains, no room for me. Nothing to show, so far from home. Don't be your brains, no room for me. Nothing to show, so far.
Face mask is on and it is all over my brush, and there's still absolutely shit tons left in there. I'm gonna sit and let this set and obviously tidy up some bits because it is going onto my eyebrows and I really don't want that to happen because that's going to be a disaster. And then I'm going to come back and peel it off and we'll see what it looks like underneath. Back, and I am smiling but you can't tell because I can't move my face. It is so tight on my face, I cannot wait to get it off. It looks like some weird sort of latex gimp mask or something. It is absolute madness. It's been just over half an hour for it to completely go hard. It sort of feels wet there a little bit, so I don't know if it's completely set there, but the rest of it's really hard. I did put quite a lot on, so it might just be that. But I'm going to take it off and show you what it looks like. I can find an edge to it. I don't know where the edges are. My dog is very curious about what I'm doing. He thinks I'm peeling my face off. Hi. Hi. It's okay.
To show, so far from home. Don't be your brains, no.
Oh my god, my skin is so red. I hope I'm not allergic to it. Like I said earlier, it's hard to tell because on the packaging it does say that it can make your skin red, but I don't know whether that's me or whether I'm allergic to it or whether that's like normal or not. There's the shape of my face. It really hurts to pull it off. It's really hard to tell if it's done anything in terms of looking on the mask. I could look at my skin to see maybe. So these bits are the bits that are a bit gunky. My dog is yawning, but it's because he's stressed. He does not like it when weird stuff is going on. So I'm back from washing off the rest of the crud left on my skin. I went to remove that just so you can see what my skin looks like now. So this is my skin after the face mask. Obviously it's still quite red and my spots look even more pronounced now because they've gone red. It does feel absolutely amazing and it does hurt like hell to take the mask off. This might just be because I'm a big baby and I suck at pain. Like anything slightly painful, even if it's something that like no one else would feel, I hate that. And my skin does feel amazing. It feels really clear. I really wish I did take my eye makeup off now, so I just felt natural and clear and lovely before going to bed, but I'll do that next time. I'm really happy with how my skin feels and it does look so much clearer. When I'm looking up close in the mirror it looks way clearer, so it must have done something, even though I couldn't see anything other than my hairs on the back of the mask, like those tiny little fine hairs you have on the face, they're all over that mask. So I think all them have gone now. So if you want to get rid of them, it works well for that. If you've enjoyed my video, please do not forget to give it a like, share it with your friends if you think they'll enjoy it too. If anyone's thought of trying this mask and wants to know what it's like, it doesn't tear your face off, it doesn't hurt too much, you can do it, and it is worth doing it so far, so yeah, thumbs up. So subscribe to my channel for more videos like this coming soon, and thank you again for watching my video. Goodbye!